BDC, BDC, BDC. What's going on, everyone, everywhere? BDC here, back for another video tutorial presentation. Alright, so you're looking at my screen right now, my PC screen, and I am inside of Silhouette Studios, which, by the way, you can download for free 99, and you don't have to have a cutter to use it. So check out this little sticker that I just designed right here. Now I'm going to show you guys in this video presentation how you too can download how you too can design stickers just like this for absolutely free 99 with just a little tweaking, but you can get all these designs for free. So let's jump over here to Google, and inside of Google I am already set and already on Pixabay, pixabay.com. Now listen guys, if you watch my last video entitled full tutorial on how to make free money with Teespring, how to make money for free with Teespring, then I showed you and talked about Pixabay, but let's dive into this video. So now once you go to pixabay.com, you can sign in or create an account for free 99. You don't have to if you don't want to, because Pixabay is totally free. But however, I suggest you do, because this way you can keep track of all the things that you download in case you should ever need to download them again. Okay, so once inside Pixabay, just simply come right here and scroll over and click on vectors, because that's what we're going to be using for this video. So inside of vectors, just come over here to the search bar, and I'm going to search and type in, here it is right here, stickers, because that's what we're going to be working with right now. Click enter on my keypad, and once inside of the sticker area, all you want to do, ladies and gentlemen, is simply scroll through here. Scroll through here, check out and see what they have inside, and they do have a lot of cool sticker, I don't know what we want to call them, sticker designs, sticker templates that you can use. Okay, now I suggest you find something like this, something with a blank inner area that we can just throw some text on, because we're going to be creating some really cool stickers, but really fast, really easy, for free 99. Okay, now check this one out right here. This one right here, see this? It says real sticker. That's it. It's a sticker. As we can see, it's supposed to be a sticker, a circle with the end flap down to indicate that it's a sticker, right? And it just has some text in the middle that says real sticker. And over here you can see there's a blank one right here ready for you to download, which I already have downloaded over here. Okay, but I suggest looking for things like this badge image right here, badge logo. You can throw some really cool text in the middle of here. So now moving right along, you want to come to file. I'm going to go and snatch that sticker that I downloaded from Pixabay. And inside of here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this and I'm going to move it over here just for me. Okay, and I'm going to create, since I already did one, I'm going to create, let's say, about 3 more really simple but cool stickers to use for my Redbubble sticker store, because I just created a Redbubble sticker store totally dedicated to stickers, because stickers are really the way to go, guys. Stickers sell like crazy, especially on Redbubble platform. Okay, so if you don't have a Redbubble account, and if you're not using Redbubble because it's been around for a few years, I suggest you go on over there and you set you up a free 99 Redbubble account. Okay, they do everything for you, packaging, printing, everything, and stickers are really the way to go if you're looking to make a nice side or main income stream. Okay, so now with this sticker, I'm going to keep it simple, I'm going to keep it sweet. Now my niche for my sticker store is based around self-awareness, right? So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to grab my text tool, I'm going to slide over here and I'm going to grab my font tool. And I'm just going to simply pick a font that I want to use. I'm going to keep it something simple, you know, something like this right here, built tilting. I'm going to take that. The default size is 72 points, and I'm going to leave it at that. And then I'm just going to come right here outside the sticker, and I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to click right there, and I'm going to say something like, let's see, am I on caps or what? Okay. Let's let me do this over here. Let me grab it. I'm gonna grab the font one more time. I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna put it right over here this time. Let's put it right here. Right there. Add my text tool again. That might be too close. And the reason why I'm doing it like this is so I can move it around the way I want it to be. Okay, don't let the negative words click off of this and move this right like that. And then grab my text tool one more time and start like right about here. Oh, say. Okay, don't let the negative words stick to you. Very simple, very easy. And then I'm just going to put it right there. Now this one, I'm probably going to take this one. I think I'm going to size it up just a little bit. Like that. Put that right there, something like that. And this one right here. Size it right there. Bring this down like right over here. And you know, give it a little flare. Okay, and size this one up a little bit. Okay, so now move this up a little bit right there. And then what I'll do is I'll take all of this text, that is, I'll take the text and I'll right click and I'll group it all together. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll come up here, and first I'm going to change the color to black. Keep it black. Okay, I'm going to bring it down in the size. Bring it down a little bit so it can fit. Let's see how that fits. Now let's size it up. Right there, just like that. Don't let the negative words stick to you. See, something simple, but people get the message because it's a sticker. So now check this out. With Redbubble, it is suggested that you will create multiple designs of the same design, right? So keep it in alignment with the sticker. I'm going to create a couple more of these stickers, okay, with different sayings inside in reference to a sticker, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so real quick, here's a suggestion. This is what you want to do, guys. Instead of you having to keep going back inside your folder and, you know, uploading the image again, all you want to do is click on the image. You want to right click on it and you want to duplicate it. Okay, and you want to duplicate it. And that will save you a little bit of time, right? So there you go. Okay, so now this is what is called a sticker pack, right? For Redbubble. You always want to make sure your stickers are evenly spaced apart. You cannot have them sticking to one another on top of each other, because then when people download it, that's actually how it's going to be when they get it. You understand what I'm saying? They're going to be all stuck together, which is no good. So as you can see, I got them separated here. I took the rulers out, but what I did was I had the rulers here, line here, line here. Make sure it's separated. Right now, I'm going to take this, I'm going to download this, I'm going to go into my file, I'm going to go to save as, I'm going to save to hard drive, okay? And inside of here, I'm going to save this one as a PNG. And you can only do this on a designer edition or business edition, which I'm on. Okay, so I'll save that. Okay, and then once this box opens up, I always like to save my DPI to 300. It just makes for a little better. It just makes it better, okay? Higher resolution. Put it like that. Okay, slide back on over here to Redbubble. Click on upload new work. And once replace image. Okay, I'm sorry. That's because I was hovering over it. It automatically says that. I thought I did something wrong. So, now, once it's been uploaded, first thing you want to do is give it a title. As you see, I've already given a title. And I'm just going to simply snatch this title right here. I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to scroll down and put it right here in the description. I'm going to paste it right there. Right here for your tags, it says separate tags with commas. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come here to my extensions. Click on my extensions and I'm going to find my Redbubble tag generator. Okay, and I'm going to pin that to the top right here. I'm going to come in here, I'm going to click on it. Okay, and inside here, I'm just simply going to type in self awareness. Okay, let's see. Grab tags, loading up. And here goes all these tags that I can use with the commas and everything already in it. So listen, if you're looking for a good way to make it easy for you to grab some tags, all you need to do is come and go to your Google extension store, your Google store, and download this tag generator for Redbubble. Okay, import to Redbubble, click on it, there go all my tags. Okay, I can click out of that and I'm all set. Look, mental health, depression, anxiety, self-care, self-love, awareness, mental health matters, health, positivity, OCD, bipolar, happiness. So that's everything right there, right? So now we got all that in here. Let's just scroll all the way down and it's automatically going to place your image on all this stuff. So we don't want none of this, so we just going to click disable, because we're not selling that. We're selling stickers. We're going to click disable on all of these. Disable everything except, of course, stickers and magnets. Because you do want stickers and magnets. That's what the store is about. Stickers and magnets, etc. Once you start disabling them, some of them are going to automatically just disable, but then some of them you will still have to do manually. So now it says media, select up to 2. We're going to say digital art, and we're going to say design illustration. Okay, by default, what we're going to do is we're going to pick You're going to click that drop down, and we're going to just click on stickers. That lets the system know that we just dealing with stickers here. Okay, we don't got no nudity, so click no. I have the right to sell products containing this artwork. Yes, we do. Click that right there, and then just simply scroll back up real quick and double check, make sure everything is disabled. We don't see no green. Okay, we got magnets and stickers. That's the only green thing we want to see. No green, no green, no green. Good. Everything is good up there. Scroll through it again, all the way down to the bottom. Okay, so we good. And once you've done all of that, simple click save work. Processing complete. So now, normally it's going to take probably about five. You're going to have 5 different designs, right? Excuse me, I'm a little tongue-tied because I'm tired. But then you need at least 5 different types of artwork before your store actually goes live. So, okay, congratulations, you're on your way to setting up your shop. So here we go. You got 1. Now we good. This is our first sticker thing. We all set, okay? So let's see right here what it says. It says it's still buffering. Okay, so here we go. We got magnets, we got stickers, glossy stickers, transparent stickers. Okay, so that's all set up. Everything has been set up there. So that is all, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, peoples. Thank y'all for hanging out with me. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it has helped somebody. And hey, don't forget to give me that thumbs up, or that thumbs down if you didn't like it. But then again, you know it don't matter. Yeah. All I want is some interaction, okay? Because it helps the YouTube algorithm, okay? It helps the algorithm out. So go ahead, help a sister out, and show me some love, something, all right? Throw me something. Come on, man, come on. But on that note, y'all, I'm gonna say peace out. Here's to your success, and I'm out.